So, class 12th, we have covered the last lesson, and today I'm going to ask a few questions related to that chapter. So, Soumya, please tell me the theme of the chapter.
Okay, ma'am. The theme of the chapter last lesson is the main theme is patriotism and importance of language. The story shows that language is identity of nation and gives people unity and freedom. It also highlights the regrets and realization as France understands the importance of education and culture when he is about to lose it. It also highlights the linguistic oppression on the people of France when German language is imposed on them.
Very good. So, Rudra, what is the message of this chapter?
Okay, ma'am. So, from the last lesson, the message is the story gives a strong message that we should follow and give importance to the language, freedom, and education before it's too late. And the language is also, the language is not a mass communication, it symbolizes freedom, identity, and nation's pride.
Okay, Urvashi, now tell me the tone and mood.
The tone of the chapter is emotional, patriotic, and serious. The mood is sad and thoughtful as the people of Alsace realizes that they are going to lose their language and their identity.
So, what is self-realization in this chapter?
In the chapter, Franz realizes that he has wasted his time by avoiding school and not learning French properly. He understands the importance of education and mother tongue only when he is about to lose the opportunity to study it.
Good. So, what are the important phrases given in this chapter? Can you hand over the mic to him? Yes, please tell me, beta.
The first important phrase is great decade of a scolding.
Another one?
Quieter Sunday morning. The third important phrase is the key to their prison.
Yes.
The fourth important phrase is Vive la France.
Okay, tell me the summary of the chapter.
The last lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet, tells the importance of one's language and education. Franz, a schoolboy, goes to school without preparing his lesson on participles. He noticed unusual silence in the classroom and villagers sitting on the back benches. Then M. Hamel announces that it is their last lesson because an order came from Berlin that only German will be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. Franz suddenly realizes the value of his language and regrets wasting his time.
Okay, so now please tell me the literary devices used in the chapter.
The author has used many literary devices such as metaphor, simile, and symbolism.
Tell me where the author has used simile. Please hand over the mic.
The simile is quiet as Sunday morning.
The metaphor is the key of their prison.
The symbolism is bulletin board.
Right, good. So, Mayank, tell me the summary of the last lesson.
The last lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet. The summary of the chapter is the story shows about the importance of one's language. And he notices Franz, a schoolboy that not learned the lesson on participles, and he notices an unusual silence in the classroom and the villagers at the back benches.
Can you please hand over the mic?
The golden conclusion of the last lesson is that it is a moving story about patriotism, love for one language, regret, and importance for education.
Good. So, I hope you all have learned the lesson in a proper manner. The theme, message of the chapter,
Yes.
literary devices, all are clear to you? Any doubt? Good.